All our Caja Sciences telemeters are robust, reliable, and quality assured. Each rat pressure telemeter incorporates a gold standard, solid-state Mylar microtip catheter for unparalleled signal quality. These catheters have been specifically designed by Mylar for chronic implantation. Each lead wire is carefully coiled to ensure they are as strong and flexible as possible. All catheters are individually tested by Mylar before being shipped to our New Zealand-based production unit. Our telemeters are all manufactured under a quality management system that is ISO 9001 certified. Each telemeter undergoes a rigorous, multi-stage production and testing process, including quality checks on battery life for reliable wireless charging, ultrasonic safe wash, and electrical testing. Telemeters then undergo a long-duration wet test in simulated animal conditions to ensure pressure measurement quality. Telemeters are then shipped to customers sterile and ready for use. Our hard shell telemeter bodies are made with custom molded, impermeable materials. Durable and ideal for longevity, this design provides protection against fluid ingress and damage caused by surgical tools. The proof is in the results. Long-term drift studies using 8 sensors over 100 days have shown the benefits of sensor quality. This is particularly important for low-pressure signal recording, such as intracranial pressure studies. Caja Sciences from 80 Instruments, setting the new standard in quality and power for implantable wireless telemetry in rats and mice.